out video to my dude Warchild V1. I'd have to say that your walkthroughs for Dark Souls was amazing, dude. They were very helpful. I'd have to say some of the bosses, yes, they are very much dicks, dude. But they actually did help me beat the game. I have to say thanks for that. But also, I wanted to know if you was going to be doing videos for walkthroughs for Dark Souls 2, because I heard the pre-release is March 11th, and I will probably have it that same day. So I'm just wondering if you're going to be doing videos for Dark Souls 2. Not much to say, but yeah, I did want to add you on Xbox so we can chat, play some games, kick it, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. I'm more of a gamer, so I just wanted to hit you up on there and, get down on some games, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, this is my shout out to you, dude. Very good job on your videos, and keep them coming, man. Muchly appreciated. Alright, this is Slayer043 out, man. Peace.